Hi, this is John Burek with PC Mag. What we have over here is the Legion Y740s, which is a thin and light gaming laptop with a very unique aspect to it. The unique aspect is that it actually doesn't have a dedicated GPU inside. To be defined as a gaming laptop, typically you need to have a dedicated GPU, but this machine does not have one. So how is it then a gaming laptop? Well, the design is definitely gamer styled. You can see the sort of trim along here, the Legion branding. We have along this side Thunderbolt port, and along the back, let's bring it around this way, a couple of USBs and an SD card slot. So I mean, the gaming aspect of it is more in the design and the styling, which is consistent with Lenovo's other gaming laptops. But the aspect of it that is really interesting is that it's complemented by this external graphics box here, an eGPU called the BoostStation. And you can get a BoostStation from people like Razer, Asus, or I shouldn't say a BoostStation, but an eGPU from other vendors like Razer and Asus. But this one complements this machine very nicely, like Razer's do their own machines. Now, the interesting thing here is if you open up the BoostStation over here, let's pull it open. A typical eGPU is going to have room for a large video card, but this one also has room for a full 3.5-inch hard drive. So you can take the eGPU box, use it as an external graphics booster, as well as a docking station and an external drive. On the back here we have some USB ports, we have a dedicated Ethernet port, and you can also connect the laptop via this Thunderbolt 3 here for charging as well as the graphics boosting. So in a sense, it's both a docking station, a graphics booster, and a external storage unit. So the takeaway from this is that you're able to carry a gaming styled laptop without having to carry the extra weight of a system with a dedicated GPU. This one weighs 4.18 pounds, about 1.9 kilograms. So if you pair this with a robust video card like this one has, an RTX 2060, you wouldn't be able typically to get a 15.6-inch machine with that kind of graphics power in a chassis this slim. So if you're a PC gamer who wants to use your machine also on the road as a productivity machine and not have to carry the extra weight of a dedicated GPU machine, this is an interesting solution. We've never seen a gaming laptop without dedicated graphics, but with gaming styling. So here we have it, the Legion Y740s here from CES 2020. Look for it later this year.